First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Next go to the image, adjustments and choose desaturate. Now press Ctrl Z to create a duplicate of the layer. Go to the image, adjustments and this time select invert. Go to blend modes and choose color dodge. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Then go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Set the blur radius to 5 pixels. Press OK. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose levels adjustment layer. Adjust these input levels like this. Now hold Shift Ctrl Alt and press E. This command combines all visible layers into a single layer. Now go to filter, noise and choose add noise. Enable the Gaussian option. Increase the noise amount to 20%. Press OK. Then go to the image, adjustments and choose desaturate. Let's see the final result.